Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about a site called Wordstream. So this which is called like marketing site, something like that. The important point I'm going to tell you about, they have keyword tools. So when a site SEO thing or otherwise YouTube, you need keywords or tags. For that I use this website, but you also find any other useful thing in this website. So I will show you how that works. First I paste these keywords and open it in a new tab. Here you can see how it looks like. So I'm going to type toy. Then they ask this toy in which industry I state of country. So this is the whole countries they have in this site, which is I am living in Sri Lanka and they don't have other countries, so I keep it as it is because most of internet users from United States, not most, but I think we are Indian born in United States or Western countries, so mostly they target there. Then I keep it like this, so I can change these industries from here, but it is as this is I show you as this example, so I don't show you that. I just continue this. Then it will take some time and then they show you like this. So if you're going to do a YouTube video or build a website or something like that, you can use these keywords. I don't say this is the best website to do that, but it is something good, not the best one. Here you can find how many searches and beats, blah blah blah, competition. You can add these to a YouTube video description or tab or any other things like that. Otherwise you can simply just write in your chatbot or ChatGPT, any ChatGPT like engines like Perplexity, which is I am using, and you can ask give me tags for these things, then it will give you tag. Otherwise, like I'm doing, you can type here what you want and they will give result. So this is all I have to tell you today, and see you in the next video.